10 interesting facts about Major Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player who is widely considered as the greatest field hockey player of all time. He is most remembered for his extraordinary goals. He is known as the Wizard for his super ball control. Dhyan Chand is in fact the magician of hockey. Chand played a pivotal role in India winning 3 consecutive Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. His birthday, 29th August, is celebrated as the National Sports Day in India. And the President gives away awards such as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Arjun and Dronacharya awards on this day. The Hockey Wizard. Let us look at few interesting facts about the legend. The first fact is that Major Dhyan Chand joined the Indian Army at the age of 16 and took up hockey while he was still enrolled. Since Dhyan Chand used to practice a lot during the night, he was given the nickname Chand by his fellow players. His practice session at night invariably coincided with the coming out of moon. Chand means moon in Hindi. Second fact is that Dhyan Chand was the leading goal scorer at 1928 Amsterdam Olympics with 14 goals. A news report about India's victory said, "This is not a game of hockey, but magic." Dhyan Chand is in fact the magician of hockey. The third interesting fact is that even though Dhyan Chand was involved in many memorable matches, he considered a particular hockey match to be his best. He said that if anybody asked me which the best match that I played in was, I will unhesitedly say that it was the 1933 Bankton Cup final between Calcutta Customs and Jhansi Heroes. The fourth point is that in 1932 Summer Olympics, India beat USA 24-1 and Japan 11-1. Dhyan Chand scored 12 goals, while his brother Roop Singh netted 13 out of 35 goals India scored. This led to them being dubbed the Hockey Twins. The fifth point is that once when Dhyan Chand was unable to score in a match, he argued with the match referee about the measurement of goal post. To everybody's amazement, he was right. The goal post was found to be in contravention of official minimum width prescribed under international rules. And sixth point is that after India's first match at 1936 Berlin Olympics, people watching other sports events thronged to the hockey stadium. A German newspaper carried a banner headline, "The Olympic complex now has a magic show too." The whole city of Berlin had posters. Visit the hockey stadium to watch the Indian magician Dhyan Chand in action. Seventh point is that according to widespread reports, German dictator Adolf Hitler offered Dhyan Chand German citizenship and a position in German military. After impressive showing at Berlin Olympics, the offer was declined by Indian magician. Eighth point is that Australian great cricketer Don Bradman met Dhyan Chand and Adelaide in 1935. After watching him play, Bradman remarked, "He scored goals like runs in cricket." Ninth point is that Dhyan Chand has scored over 400 goals in his career spanning 22 years, which was started from 1926 to 1948. 10th point is that hockey authorities in Netherlands once broke his hockey stick to check if there was a magnet inside it. India's highest award for lifetime achievement in sports is the Dhyan Chand Award, which has been awarded annually from 2002 to sporting figures who not only contribute to their performance but also contribute to sport after their retirement. National Stadium Delhi was renamed Dhyan Chand National Stadium in 2002 in this honor. He scored 400 goals in his career from 1926 to 1948. AstroTurf hockey pitch at Indian Gymkhana Club in London has been named after India's hockey legend Dhyan Chand. Thank you so much.